Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forbes Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I'm gonna unbox and give you my first impressions of the Google Nest Audio. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I decided to pick up the Google Nest Audio. I already have a couple Google Homes and a couple mini Google Homes too, so why not get the new Nest Audio? Look at it. Oh, I got it in charcoal, but look at the box. Nice presentation. These are some of the apps that it works with. Nice presentation from Google. If y'all want to pause it, you can definitely do so and read that. But we're just going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to set it up and try to play some non-copyrighted music to see how good this actually sounds. And we're going to do a comparison to see how big it is compared to the OG Google Homes. All right, so let me get the unboxing knife. Shout out to Big Migs for the unboxing knife. I haven't watched any videos about the Google Audio or the Nest Audio. Whatever you want to call it. Google Home Speaker. All right, so it looks like you just kind of open it from the bottom. Oh, and right at the top. Oh, this thing. Man, if somebody gets mad at you or somebody tries to break in, pick up the Google Nest Audio and throw it at them. It has some weight. Let's compare it later. Let's see what else you get in the box. You get some books. Let's get started. You might want to read that too. Then you get the wall charging or wall adapter brick. Look at that. And I think that is all you get in the box. There's nothing else in the box, so let me put everything away. All right, everyone, so I was able to go ahead and clean off my table. Let's get into this. Man, that thing weighs a lot more than the original Google Home, but I need to let you know you can get this from Google Play or Google Store for $99. They have 5 different colors. They have charcoal, which is that color. They also have sage. Then they have a sand color, which is like a pink color or a salmon color. And then they have a sky, which is the blue. So 5 different colors. Yes, $99. But let's go over the speaker itself. Man, this has some weight. That looks like a microphone shut off little button, the Google brand in there, and then that's where the plug goes in. Another Google brand in there. Let's compare it. Original Google Home. Man, it weighs a lot. I mean, I'm shocked by the weight. So let me plug this in really quick and we can see if I can play some music on it and just test it out. All right, I was able to plug it in. It comes up, it tells you actually download Google Home, the app, which I have already pulled up here. What you need to do is hit that little plus sign and then you hit set up a device. Let me do that. It does show your address, so I'm gonna get past that. And then it should find the device if I'm lucky. Look at that. Then we just hit yes. It's going to try to find it and set it up. Now I might speed this part of the video up or cut it out. So you can name the speaker whatever you want to name it. I already have the one Google Home down there, so that's why it says Living Room 2. This one I'm gonna just put Forbes Tech. It's gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. All right, so it says connecting to the Wi-Fi. All right, you have your normal Google Assistant information here. I like hitting next. It's going to agree to my voice already. All right, so it says get personal results with your voice. I'm gonna hit agree. And here you can pick which one do you want to use. I actually have Google Play Music. I'm gonna keep it that way for now. I can also do YouTube Music, either one. You can link a radio service. I'm gonna say not now. So I have Netflix. I can also do CBS, and I'm gonna hit continue. It is installing an update. So I'll be right back. Actually, that was quick. So it looks like it tells you, I don't know if they have controls at the top here. So that would pause it. If you change the volume, you could volume up and down. Man, that's pretty loud. Turn the mic off. Now it says it's ready.
Hi, I'm your Google Assistant. I'm here to help. To learn a few things you can do, continue in the Google Home app.
Hey Google, tell me a joke.
Why won't the shrimp share its treasure? Because it's shellfish.
All right, so again, I'm gonna pause the video. I'm gonna try to pull some non-copyrighted music and see if we can't play that on the Google Nest audio just to see how the speaker sounds. Okay, everyone, so you can actually hook your phone to the Nest as Bluetooth too, but I went into the app and I just want to click on here. So you can turn the volume here also, but in here you can turn the bass up or down. So if I want to turn more bass, I'm gonna do more bass. And we're gonna go from there. So I need to shout out Tana So Lit, chosenbeats.club. I'm gonna just play one song from there really quick and we can hear the speaker. All right, so that sounded pretty good. Again, if you need some beats or sound for your videos, go check out chosenbeats.club. They have some awesome beats. I love that beat. That's why I purchased it. And all the beats are $5 and less so far. So, all right, so I'm gonna try just a different song. Again, these songs are not the best. I'm not trying to get any copyrighted strikes against my channel.
Yeah. MD, JPB, it's only right, baby. Yeah, why you mad? I got a bag, bro. Name hot in these streets, no Tabasco. But I'm so stuck, that's a fact, yo. And if you think I'm running, you can run it back, yo. Go on, run it back. You know that I run it. Everything you wanna do, I already done it. And I got your little boo telling me she love me. I got this one, that one. Damn, it's gonna be a long night.
All right, so it actually sounds really good compared to the OG. Yeah, I'm definitely going to buy me a couple more. I'm gonna have my whole house pumping. I might buy like 2 or 3 more of these and put them, you know, upstairs, put them in my room, and then we can really jam out. So that was just a quick unboxing, first impressions, setup, whatever you want to call it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for upcoming videos. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forrest Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. You have a great day.